Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Vanessa from Germany and today I'm in the kitchen and I will try to bake a cake. So let's start with the ingredients. You need 200 grams of dark chocolate, 165 grams sugar, 165 grams butter, 4 egg yolk, 40 grams of flour, 40 grams of almond meal and 4 egg whites. I prepared some hot water and an empty bowl inside and I will melt all the chocolate little dips inside. So after 2 or 3 minutes it looks like this, and it's so important that the water isn't boiling anymore. After that we will add the sugar. And then I will add some butter. So now it's time to add the egg yolk. Now it's time to add the flour and the almond meal, and you should use this one. So you should use your kitchen machine to get a strong egg white, and now you should put it step by step into your chocolate. Now it looks like this, and it's time to fill this one into your form, or maybe into this one. You just have to use some butter and I used sugar. I prepared 4 little cakes and now it goes into the oven for 30 minutes approximately and with 180 degrees Celsius. So after 30 minutes it smells so good like chocolate, and yeah, they still look very pretty. So I let them cool a little bit and then I put some powdered sugar on it. So that's the result of the chocolate cake. It's more like a chocolate fudge cake, and it smells so good and looks so good and tastes so good. So have fun baking this cake for yourself. The recipe is down below in the text box and also on my blog. Have fun with baking and give me a thumbs up if you like to see more videos of me in the kitchen. So have fun. Goodbye. Tschüss.